The sun beat down mercilessly on the dry California hills. A lone mountain lion, a creature of stealth and power, surveyed its domain. For generations, its ancestors had roamed these lands, masters of their domain. But a new threat was rising, a fiery tempest that threatened to consume everything in its path. The wisp of smoke had grown into a raging inferno. Driven by the relentless wind, the wildfire spread like a hungry beast, devouring everything in its path. The mountain lion, its keen senses warning it of the impending danger, knew it had to act fast. The fire was relentless. A wall of heat and destruction, the mountain lion's home, its hunting grounds, were being consumed. Survival instincts kicked in. It had to find shelter, a sanctuary from the flames. The mountain lion, a creature of the rocks, knew where to find refuge. It moved swiftly, its agile body navigating the treacherous terrain. Its destination, a hidden cave, a sanctuary from the firestorm. Inside the cool darkness of the cave, the mountain lion found temporary respite. The fire raged outside. But here, in the heart of the earth, it was safe. For now. Days later, the fire had subsided, leaving behind a desolate landscape. The mountain lion emerged from its refuge, its home transformed into a wasteland. The challenge of survival had just begun. The fire had not only destroyed its home, but it had also decimated its prey. The mountain lion, a skilled hunter, now faced a new challenge: finding food in a barren world. Adaptability was key. But life, even after the fire, found a way. In a nearby valley, untouched by the flames, life flourished. The mountain lion, driven by its instinct to survive, knew where to find it. The fire had tested its resilience, its adaptability, its very will to survive. But the mountain lion, a symbol of strength and endurance, had persevered. It would rebuild its life, its domain, in this new, changed world. The mountain lion knew the challenges ahead were many, but it was ready. It was a survivor. The scars of the fire would remain, a reminder of the destructive power of nature. But from the ashes, life would rise again, stronger and more resilient than before now. And the mountain lion, a symbol of the wild, would continue its reign, a testament to the enduring power of nature.